Hello dear students, welcome to our English class. Well, in this video, we will learn about how to write BioSketch. And this is Madhu's English for you. And in this video, let's learn about creative expressions. And let's grab full marks in BioSketch. Let's first check what's a BioSketch. Well, a BioSketch is an account of the life and activities of an individual. Well, it includes the information about the person's name, place, education qualifications, achievements, and other important activities, whatever they have done in their life. And at the same time, a BioSketch usually presents the facts about the person's life, including what the person did and how he or she has influence to the whole world. Well, to grab good score, let's follow these key areas. The first beginning and with the introduction, we should grab everybody. Like for example, in the introduction part, what we have to do is you have to give the title and the caption. And let's go how it works. And the second area is as soon as we give the title and the caption, then you have to write the name of that person, like Mahendra Singh Dhoni is a famous or fabulous or fantastic or well known or popular, and try to use as many adjectives as possible, of course only one. And you mention who is he or who is she, whether he is a sportster or a social worker or a novelist or a freedom fighter. And the next, let's go with the personal details, where you have to write like the date of birth and the place of birth and his or her parents. So here is the sentence pattern. He or she was born on, we'll write the date and the year and the place, and to, you have to write both the names of the parents if you know. And the next one is that we have to think about the educational qualifications. For this, we have to write the following sentence patterns, like he studied at Cambridge University, he completed his education, or even you can add like during his life and during his career, and he has faced so many hardships but achieved wonderful things. So this is how you can write. And the next one is milestones or any significant achievements. Well, you can add like he has achieved many milestones in his life, like winning many series and ICC World Cup and T20 Cup. So you can add whatever you know and have the information regarding that particular person. And the next area is how well he has contributed to the service, like society. And so you can put the heading like services and contributions, and you can begin with a famous quote like while public service is his cup of tea, so he served as a, and he or she contributed a lot to, right? And the other sentence pattern is he or she rendered her invaluable services in the field of, right? And if there is a possibility, you can add a quote related to that situation, like service to man is service to God. And the next area is as soon as they have done a lot of work, and no doubt in that they will get a lot of awards, achievements and recognition. So for this, let us use more sentence pattern, not simply saying he received or something. You can say he received so and so award in that year, and then you can add she was the recipient of, and then there is another important sentence pattern like the government has honored him with the most prestigious award. You can write that. And finally, in the last area, you can write about my reflections. And in these reflections, after working and contributing a lot to our country, he left us in so and so year, or he passed away in so and so year, you can mention. And then you can add, after reading this bio sketch of this particular person, and I'm quite inspired, and I too want to contribute a lot when I become uh, young or big or old. So when I'm settled in my life. So this is how you can get good score. Now let's check. First, we are going to work with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and the title and then the caption is The Missile Man. And let's go through this information. What we have, the details, it will be provided in our examination paper. So you can think about the parents, date of birth, and the studies, and the works, death, awards, and whatever he received. Well, now the first will go with the introduction, and as we have already mentioned, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man. And well, APJ Abdul Kalam was a scientist and the former president of India. Well, regarding the personal details, he was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu to Ashiamma and Jainulabdin. And regarding his educational background, he completed his education in Anna University, and you can talk about his interests and whatever he has done and whatever hardships he has faced and from what kind of family he has come. We know from the lesson what we got from my childhood. And then the next one is, he contributed a lot to our country as an aerospace scientist, and he became the 11th president of India. Well, after all these services, he received the Padma Bhushan Award in 1981. He was the recipient of Padma Vibhushan for the year 1990, and the government honored him with the most prestigious award, Bharat Ratna, in 1997 for his works. Well, at last, finally, and he passed away on 27th July in 2018 at Shillong in Meghalaya. Well, after reading the biosketch of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, I'm quite inspired, and I too want to contribute a lot to my country, and I want to become a scientist. So, well, this is all about APJ Abdul Kalam, and you can end with a quote, and that's what I say. If you want to be creative, go with some creative expressions. Like, if you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. So, APJ Abdul Kalam, and there ends the biosketch of Abdul Kalam. Well, now let's look at all your favorite cricketer, and it's all about MSD. Let's see how we can work with if it is for a sportster. Well, as I already mentioned, give with the title MS Dhoni, and the caption is Mr. Cool Captain. While Mahendra Singh Dhoni, or as we call MS Dhoni, is one of the most popular Indian cricketers, putting his great leadership skills to test, he served as the former captain of the Indian national cricket team. That's the intro. And regarding the personal details, Dhoni was born on July 7th, 1981 in Ranchi to Pansing and Devaki Devi. He made his debut in One Day International in December 2004, playing against Bangladesh. And regarding his career, while in the One Day International scenario, Dhoni has so far played 265 matches, scoring 8,620 runs, with his highest being a staggering 183 out of 145 balls not out against Sri Lanka. So that was his career best. And regarding the significant achievements or milestones, you know better. Well, we can say India won the 2007 ICC World Cup T20 Cup and 2011 ICC Cricket World Cup under his captaincy. It was something like 2007, and that was T20 Cup, and then 2011 ICC World Cup. So that is the biggest achievement for any cricketer or any captain. And well, regarding the awards, he received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2007 and the Padma Shri Award in 2009, and he also received Padma Bhushan Award, India's third highest civilian award in 2018. While everybody has to retire, so Dhoni has also should give retirement, and he announced retirement from international test cricket on December 30, 2014, following the drawn test between India and Australia in Melbourne. And now the last one is regarding my reflections. After watching Mahish shots and his attitude and the way he deals tough situations with cool head, I too want to play for IPL and one day for our country. This is how we can write. Well, now we will see, let's practice some other bio sketches. Like first, these are the major areas. The first one is we have to practice with scientists as we practice regarding Abdul Kalam, and then we have CV Raman and all. And then next, we can practice about any sports stars like PV Sindhu or the young cricketer Virat Kohli or the old legends like Sunil Gavaskar or Kapil Dev. Well, you can also talk about the poets or the writers like Rabindranath Tagore or R.K. Narayan or Shakespeare. And we have seen differently abled people in our lessons like Nick Vujicic or Stephen Hawking or Helen Keller or Sudha Chandran. And the other category is freedom fighters and national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi ji or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel or Subhash Chandra Bose and all. And the next one is the social workers like Mother Teresa, and we have a lot of people whoever has worked for the society. And I hope you will have good practice and hope you will follow these strategies. And well, if you like this video, please subscribe and share Madhu's English for you. That's all for today.